So now students, I will show you how to open again the Microsoft PowerPoint. Go on Start, All Programs, then Microsoft Office. Click on Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Okay, so this is our PowerPoint. So this is our slide. In the previous video I have shown you how to do different designings in the slide, how to make it colorful, right? Suppose I give the color of this slide. Okay, I will change the design of this slide. Okay, so to change the design, you will go to Design tab, and here you can see many designs are there. Okay, so you can select any of the design from here. Suppose this one. Okay, see, you can add like this or this one by clicking on any of the design. It will any theme. It will be changed like this. Okay. Now our real thing, what I want to show you, how to insert audio, how to insert sound in your slide. Okay, then go to insert tab first of all. Then you can see in the insert tab you can see media group. This is the media group. In media group you can see audio. Click on audio. Then you can see different options are there: audio from file, clip art, or record your own audio. You can record your voice also here. So I'll click on audio from file. That means from the computer it will search the audios. So now the dialog box, this insert audio window has come. Now I click on this audio. Suppose we click on this audio file, then click on insert. Now it will insert it in our slide. Okay, wait for some time. Now you can see here this icon has come here. This is the icon, so it started playing. So this is the play button where you can play and pause your audio or sound. This is the timeline. Okay, then the next button and previous button. Then this is the sound button. This is the time. This is the sound. Okay, you can mute it by clicking on it, or you can increase and reduce the sound like this. And this is the icon of the sound. So click on play. So now you can hear the music. The music is playing, so you can increase or decrease the sound here. So I'm decreasing the sound, increasing the sound like this. Okay, I can play pause like this, and I can drag it and place it anywhere. Okay, anywhere on the slide. Suppose I want it in the lower side, bottom side, so you can place like this. Okay, so this is the way of inserting the sound. Now I'll show you how to insert the video file on your slide. So click on insert tab again, then again go to media group. Then here you can see the video. Click on video. So here click on video from file. So again insert video window will open here. Now you can see here this is the video file. You can select from your computer, from anywhere in the computer, but now click this file and insert. Now it is inserting in your slide. Okay, wait for some time. So now you can see the video file has come on the slide. So you can make it small also. Okay, see, the video file has come here. So you can see the video, it is going on. Okay, so you can move the timeline from here. The same thing like audio file. This is the play pause button. Okay, and this is the sound. Again, same thing. So video is playing, so you can make it large or small according to your choice. Okay. Okay, now I will show you how to add transitions on the slide. Okay, so to add transitions in the slide, you will go to transition tab. So in the transition tab, you can see different types of transition of the slides are given, different designs of the transitions are given. Suppose if I click any one of the transition, then what will happen? See here, so it is coming like this, transition is like this. That means different styles are coming. Okay, you can see here different styles are coming. Okay, so this is called a transition. So when you click on this arrow, you can see many different types of transition also given. So click here like this, then it will show you the preview. Like this it is coming. Then in the timing group, you can see the sound is also there. Sound means when you click on this arrow, different types of sound will come. When this slide will change or do any transition, then different sound will heard. Okay, see here, different sounds can be heard. Okay, suppose if I click the sounds, this, so you can hear the sounds. You can hear the sounds. So different sounds are there. Whatever sound you want, you can click on it. So suppose I click on chime. Okay. Now this is the duration. Duration means what is the timing of each slide. What is the length of the each slide? You can specify the length. Okay, like this. You can increase or decrease the length, and you can apply to all. If you are satisfied with this setting, then you can apply this setting to all the slides. If you are not, they can separately, you can give different settings to all the slides. And next thing is advanced slide. That means on mouse click, it is checked by default. That means when you click the mouse button, then it will go to the next slide. Okay, this is called the on mouse click. So I will show you by playing the slide how it is showing. Okay, suppose I select the next slide and give the another style. I give the another style of transition like this and give the sound, drum sound. Okay, then I increase the timing. Then again next slide, if I give the setting to the next slide like this and give the sound, click on the sound. Then with our last slide, I'm giving this. Okay, so all the settings are done like that. Now I will show you by playing the slide how to play the slide. Okay, so I have shown you in the book how to play the slide. You have to go to slideshow, click on slideshow. So it is from the beginning, from current slide, from this custom slide, from any option you can choose. Suppose I click from the beginning. Okay, now see, it is starting. Now I click the mouse button, then it will go to next. We will go to the next. Then again click the mouse button. Again click the mouse button. Okay, you can see how it is coming. Then press escape to go back. Okay, in this way you will play the slide by adding transition. Is it interesting? Yes, of course, very interesting, right? Okay, now I will show you how to add animations to your slide. So select your slide first of all, then click on animation tab. Now you can see there are many animation in the animation group. So whatever animation style I will hover over the mouse, then it will show the changes. You can see the changes now. You can see the changes. Okay, so in this way you can add the animations. You can click on the more, then you'll find so many types of styles. You can see a more entrance effect, more emphasis effects, more exit effect, more motion paths. So all these are given in your book. What are the meaning of this? So